cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today's video is my Black Friday strategy shopping, like whatever you want to call it. This video has been highly requested this year. I'm actually surprised how many people have wanted to know what I'm going to do, what's my game plan, where I'm going to be spending my money this Black Friday season. So I was like, you know what? They asked for it, let me actually create like a whole video on it. In previous years, I've told you guys about Sparkle & Co.'s Black Friday sale, but I never really sat down and talked about like all the places I want to shop and where I plan on spending my money. And this year, like my Black Friday list is completely changed from previous years. So my game plan is a little different from previous years. So at the time of me recording this video, Sparkle & Co., Rebel Nail, and Young Nails are the only companies that I know of that have revealed their Black Friday deals, sales, discounts, all the things. They're the only companies that I really know of that have released it already and told us. There are a few small companies who have said that they're not going to be participating in Black Friday sales, and I totally understand, like small companies can't offer us most of the time the same discounts and deals that larger companies like Rebel and Kiara Sky can. So I totally understand why some companies are choosing to not participate in Black Friday. So I have a little note here on my phone, you can probably kind of see it right there, of all of the companies that I want to spend up my money on this Black Friday season. So I'm going to go through the list, and some of the companies I have listed here haven't discussed their Black Friday sale deals yet. One or two have confirmed they will be having a Black Friday sale, but they haven't said how much % off it's going to be. So I'm going to start at the top of the list with MANIBOSS dip powder. I don't remember if she had a Black Friday sale last year. I'll have to go check and see if she did, but I have a laundry list of things that I want to purchase from her. I haven't purchased from her in a few months now, and like my heart's like, Carole, you want to spend money there? You know you do. So since the last time that I've purchased from her, she has come out with a builder gel, and she's also released holiday dip powders. She's had 2 or 3 launches now. So I want to purchase some of her Christmas dip powders. I want to purchase her builder gel, give it a shot, see if I like it. And I always need to stock up on liquids. And then today, I literally just ran out of my Royal Treatment cuticle oil, so I need to stock up on some Candi skincare and MANIBOSS cuticle oil and skincare stuff because their body butter is so good. Alright, so now I'm moving into a huge company. Rebel Nail is actually starting their Black Friday sales early. They did this last year. Last year was the first year that they rolled out like early Black Friday sales where you could start shopping earlier than Black Friday. I think it's the week before. So let me talk to you guys about that. So Rebel has already announced on their website and their Facebook and their Instagram, sorry, I'm reading right here, all of their sales, when they start, the start times, all that information, it's already out there on the internet. So I'm going to leave it linked below so you guys can read it if in case you want to read over it yourself. They're basically doing a rolling Black Friday release. So their website is going to be 30% off from the 17th of November until the 26th of November, because I think the 27th is when it's 15% off. So what they're going to be doing is 30% off their entire website. There is an exclusion for 3 different items. Their entire website from the 17th through the 27th at 10 a.m. So if you are a powder perfectionist, you get access to 30% off starting the 17th. If you're a devoted dipper, you get access to that 30% off starting on the 18th. And then if you're a nail novice or someone who doesn't have a Rebel account yet, then you get early access starting on the 22nd. So they're actually doing their Black Friday sale sooner than actual Black Friday, the actual physical day, which I appreciate that because in previous years they would start it on Thanksgiving around 6 p.m. and it would bog down the website. So I do like that they're rolling it out sooner so that people aren't bogging down the website. People are able to make their purchases prior to Thanksgiving morning and evening, so I appreciate that. Rebel Nail is releasing 3 different freebies. So if you are a powder perfectionist or a devoted dipper, you get the early access Black Friday freebie. So if you want both freebies, you have to shop during different days. The 17th through the 21st is the early access. The 22nd through the 27th is the normal Black Friday freebie. And if you want the 3rd freebie that they have for sale, it's on Cyber Monday. So I'm like, do I want the freebie? How bad do I want the freebie? So I actually break up my purchases with Revel into several different days because I want all 3 freebies. So I try to place like my biggest, largest orders that I want the largest discount on the 30% off days so that I can get both freebies. I just split it up. And then on the 20% off day, I'm like, what do I want that I can get like for $25-ish with the discount so that I can get that freebie? So things I need to stock up on are Revel's liquids because I use them for swatching. I need an activator refill because I don't buy the activator bottle. I have one activator bottle and I keep refilling it, and it's actually almost empty right now, so I have that much left. I need to buy a new refill. So I buy that. They have lots of new colors. I haven't purchased any of their stocking stuffers, so I definitely want to purchase their stocking stuffers, swatching liquids, activator refill, new colors. I think I purchased a few of their fall colors, but not a lot. And then I'm going to wait till they're like 12 days of Revel to purchase Gift of Revel. I'm not going to purchase it at this time. So moving on from Revel Nail, I'm going to move over to Sparkle & Co. Sparkle & Co. is having 20% off site-wide. And if you are a subscriber, I am a subscriber. Did you subscribe? I subscribed. If you are an active subscriber right now, you get an additional 20% off the website during that time. So I have some store credit I know I want to burn, so I want to make the most of my money during this little holiday situation. And it never hurts to buy more swatching liquids. So yeah, I should buy more dip liquids because it just never hurts. So if you don't know what to buy clear dip powder and buy dip liquids because you'll always use those. Other things I want to buy is the previous 3 months sub bag colors because I unsubscribed for a few months knowing that I was going to resubscribe for Black Friday and use that 40% off discount to purchase older colors. So I get the most bang for my buck. And if you have a Sparkle & Co. store credit, you make that store credit like stretch you longer and everything if you buy it during Black Friday. Plus they have like new monthly releases. I haven't purchased any of those in a few months, so I definitely want to buy some of their newer colors. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Cali Girl Nail Dips has confirmed that she's doing a Black Friday sale. I don't know if she's released yet how much it's going to be, but she was having, I believe it was 25% off the website during Veterans Day. I almost pulled the trigger, but I heard that Black Friday was going to be a bigger discount, so I was like, ooh, let's wait. But I currently have 11 colors in my cart from Cali Girl Nail Dips. They're so beautiful, y'all. Head over to her website right now. They're so pretty. If I find out the discount amount, I'm going to leave it in the description box below to let you guys know. But she has so many freaking gorgeous colors, so I definitely plan on purchasing from her this Black Friday. Next up is Kimberz Kreations. So y'all know I've been wearing Kimberz Kreations builder gels for months now. I have fallen in love with her 38 builder gel color, and I'm running low on gel base and gel top. I personally do not have a sensitivity or allergic reaction to any of her gel products, so I'm like, I need to stock up on her gel products during the Black Friday sale. I also plan on making a purchase at Young Nails, so you guys probably already know that I'm obsessed with Young Nails Protein Bond. Please focus. I use this under all of my gel manis, so builder gel, this literally makes everything stick to my nails like super glue. Like, it's incredible. I love this stuff. I have a couple bottles, but I have spilt some this year, so it never hurts to have backup. They also have this foil transfer base, so this is not gel. This is literally like an air dry product. It is a foil transfer base, so you can use your like transfer foils, the cute little designs and stuff. So if you have gel sensitivities and you're afraid to use something with gel, buy this during Young Nails Black Friday sale. I heard from Dip Nails by Jules that this is incredible, so of course I purchased it. I haven't used it yet. They also have a stain resistant gel top coat, so if you're into the gel stuff like I am, they have a stain resistant gel top coat that doesn't yellow and it's not going to stain. Like if you do your hair, dye other people's hair, whatever the case may be, the top coat is not going to stain. So Young Nails actually announced that they're having a 30 to 80% off their website. There's going to be bundles, there's going to be deals, like all the things. So there's going to be like a huge range of a discount, and that starts on the 21st of November at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're on the East Coast, that's going to be midnight your time. If you're on the West Coast, that's obviously 9 p.m. your time. If you're Central Time like me, that's 11 p.m. So starting on the 21st of November, and I recommend making your Young Nails purchases early because they do sell out of some stuff. And they said they're coming out with like new products during Black Friday, so I'm always interested to see what new stuff they're releasing. So I've been really into jelly tips lately. I'm starting to learn how to use them, and I'm actually not failing so much right now because I got a lamp thanks to Kate's Nail Corner's recommendation. Like, I'll show you guys in my Amazon favorites video. But I've been into jelly tips. So there's two companies I want to purchase from. So Apres is like the leading company for the jelly tips. Like, I believe they started that trend. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So I want to buy their natural short length, and I want to buy some of their builder gel and their extension, like gel tip extension. So they have builder gel and they have their jelly tip extend gel, I believe it's called. There's two different gels that they use, and there's also another company called the Painted Desert. They sell extra short and short length, and they're really short, y'all. So if you struggle with like your jelly tips being too long for your nails, so this is the Apres stiletto shape on me. This is the Apres one. It's too long for my liking. I like mine to be a lot shorter. So I'm really interested in trying the Painted Desert ones because they have the extra short and the short. And I heard from Talia's Nail Tales that they're like the shortest length she's ever found. So I'm like, if I don't have to cut down my jelly tips that much, that would be freaking great. So moving on to the last thing on my Black Friday list, you guys know that I'm like a huge planner. I love planning supplies. I love stickers. So I'm going to be shopping at like some of my favorite sticker shops for my planning supplies. So Cricut Paper Co. is my favorite place to go. I buy like her stuff. I have like literally 95% of my stickers are from Cricut Paper Co. But I also need to buy my 2022 planner, so I actually need to buy two of them. So I have this one. It is the Life Planner in the, I think it's vertical. Yeah, it's the vertical layout, so it goes up and down in columns. Let me show you guys a week that I haven't planned in. So yeah, so this is the ERIN CONDREN vertical layout. And I really love this planner. I've been using it for years. And then I have their Daily Duo. It's downstairs, so I can't show you guys. It's on my nightstand right now. And I use one planner for my family and personal life and one for my content creation life. So I like to keep those in two separate planners. So usually ERIN CONDREN has a 30% off sale during Black Friday. And I believe you can use a discount, like if you have points, because they have a reward system too, you can get up to $25 off an order. So I definitely want to place an order for all of those things for my 2022 planning supplies during Black Friday. So I have a handful of companies I want to shop through and shop with during this Black Friday season. And so Soul Dip hasn't announced a Black Friday thing yet, so if she does, I might be stopping by the Soul Dip website and picking up some builder gel. She just released new builder gels. Like, builder gel's like my freaking thing. Like, I'm loving that shit. So I know I'm mostly a dip powder channel, but I'm super into builder gel, so I like to stock up on builder gels all year long. That's who else I want to shop with. Yes, Candi Skincare, my favorite skincare company. So Candi Skincare, I love her cuticle oils. I wear them every single day. I use her products every single day. I have the body butter. Let me show you real quick. This is the pumpkin marshmallow body butter. One stays in my office right next to my desk. One stays in my purse. One stays in my car. This one smells so good. It smells like fall. Like I want to eat like a freaking delicious cookie for fall. Look at those nails. Damn. Okay, yeah, so I don't think Candi Skincare has announced any Black Friday or Cyber Monday or Small Business Saturday deals yet, but if she does, I'm adding her to my list because I'm not saying no to Candi Skincare products. I need to stock up on things for the Christmas. Oh, and they make great Christmas gifts. So if you don't know what to buy someone for Christmas and like say they're like a friend, like an acquaintance or something, and you're like, fuck, I need to get them something, but I don't know what to get them. Just get them matching scents of body butter and a 1 ounce cuticle oil or a pen. I recommend the 1 ounce. You get more. But get them like these 2 items and throw it in a cute little bag or something with like a $5 gift card. Merry Christmas. That's what I recommend. So Candi Skincare is a great place to shop if you're looking to buy people gifts but you don't know what to get them, but you want it to smell good. And you could always, like, if you're afraid of like what scent to get, just really ask the person, do they like sweet stuff or do they like floral stuff? And that'll help you immediately right then and there make the decision. So if they like sweet stuff, get the cotton candy scent. If they like floral stuff, then get like lavender or something like that. Or if they like citrusy, ask if they like citrusy. Then get like the there's like a citrusy orange one, I forgot the name of it, but you can really tell the distinction between the scents. So simply just ask your friends, do you like sweet, citrus, or floral? And that'll help you decide what to get them from Candi Skincare. So I think that is all for my Black Friday plans. Like, I know that's a long list and that actually sounds like a lot of money now that you think about it. I'm gonna go through and tally up like my guesstimate on how much I'm gonna spend on myself this Black Friday. I don't want to go over $200 for myself on nail things because I really don't need them. I just want them because I still have to think about the rest of my family for Black Friday stuff. Like, I've already been doing not Black Friday stuff, Christmas stuff. So I've already been doing Christmas shopping, Christmas gift shopping, and I have a budget for my family on how much I plan on spending on them, and then obviously myself. So I'd be interested in knowing where you guys plan on shopping this Black Friday and Cyber Monday and Small Business Saturday. Please let me know if you guys plan on shopping and where. But if you do not want to shop anywhere this Black Friday, you don't believe in that stuff, that is completely okay. Like, voice that, let me know. Like, I love the fact that there's a lot of small businesses that are not participating in Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales and everything. Like, their family comes first. The holidays are for their family, and like, I understand, like, these small businesses understand realistic expectations. They're usually 1 or 2 people working for these small companies. They can't pump out orders the way Amazon, Rebel, Revel and them can. So I totally understand like why small businesses have chosen not to do discounts this year. They don't want to, they're gonna be impacted by delayed shipping times, delayed processing times because of the bulk of the orders they're gonna get. And they're gonna be like, that's a huge hit on a company. You're already giving discounts, so you're gonna have customers complaining about the delayed processing times because of the surge in orders. Customers are gonna complain about the slow shipping times because USPS is running slower than usual. Like, there's a lot of risk for a small company to really dive in and choose to do a Black Friday sale. So I don't blame any companies at all for choosing not to do one or to do a smaller sale. Like, I totally understand. So I hope this video helped you guys understand my Black Friday game plan, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye.
Call